Okay, so I get this question a lot, almost as often as, "Hey Caleb, what theme are you using?" And that question is, how do I type in multiple places at the same time? And so there's two things I want to cover in this video. Is first of all, I can click like at the very end of this line and then hit Control and click, or if you're on Windows, it's probably Alt click or Control click. I'm on Mac, so it's Command click. And I think I might have said Control at the beginning. I meant to say Command. On Mac, it's Command. On Windows, it's probably Control or Alt. And so I just click in all these different spots, and I can type something here. And it works the exact same way as your regular cursor, so I can select all of these all at once, and I can delete all of them all at once. So that's all there is to that. It takes a little bit of practice to get really good at it, to know that you're writing the same thing in two different spots, but that is a really good way of speeding up your time when you're coding. Another thing people ask is, how do I select basically the next occurrence? And so if I type the word config, and let's say I had a typo in here, so let's just select all these, and I just command clicked on those. And if I type in is equal to, no, that's not what I want to do, undo, config. So let's say I had a typo in there and I wanted to change all these. I can select that first one, and you can see these other ones are selected. I can go to selection, add next occurrence, which for me is Command D. And that just adds that next occurrence. I can do it again, adds that next occurrence. So I don't have to double click on this, Command or Control or Alt, double click on that, same thing, double click on that. What I can do is just double click this one, and if I know the next one is the one I want, Command D or Control D or Alt D, depending on your settings. And then I do Command D again and select all of them, and what I can do is just delete that and type config in all three spots at the same time.